Hello guys, you are welcome to Vitex Communication channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about careers in mobile repair business. Careers you can venture it when you have the knowledge of mobile repair or phone repair. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to get notified when we drop a new video. So as we all know, GSM repair or phone repair is a very lucrative technical business, and it's a very profitable business, especially when you have knowledge about it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, try and do that. So in today's video, as I've earlier said, we are going to talk about job careers or careers in mobile repair business. When you have the knowledge in mobile repair, there are many careers that you can venture in order to put food in your table or in order to make a living. One, after learning mobile repair, you can be a boss on your own, or you can be the owner of a shop. Boss means the owner of a particular shop, the CEO of a shop. So when you have the knowledge of GSM repair, you can open your own shop and start your mobile repair business. You can even be employing other people to work for you. The second one is that you can be a manager in another person's shop or in a company. So since you have the knowledge of mobile repair, you can work as a manager. You can be directing other people because you are a skilled engineer. The third one is that you can work in a company. Yes, when you have the knowledge of phone repair, you can work in a company that do phone repair or make phone. Some of these companies are Techno Company, Infinix, Nokia, H Mobile, etc. You can work there. Another one is that you can be a tutor in an institute where they teach mobile repair. You can be a tutor there. Even in technical school, you can apply and start teaching people on how to repair or maintain mobile phone. The next one is selling of mobile spare parts. Yes, when you have the knowledge of mobile repair, if you don't have the money to open your own shop, you can start selling mobile spare parts. That is spare part of your mobile phone, like the mouthpiece, speaker, screen, touchpad, soldering iron, charging point, and so on, including power flex and ICs in mobile phone. So these are some of the job opportunities you can have when you can venture in when you have the knowledge of mobile repair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video to the end. Hope to see you in my next video. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop important content like this. See you in my next video. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the video.